Hello, I'm Georgie Becker, and welcome to the Worldwide Center of Math. We're going to be looking at a problem of the week today that has to do with geometry, circles, and triangles. So to start, I'm just going to draw out a diagram to make it a little clearer. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to solve for the ratio of the point of AP to CP. So you can see from the diagram there what line segments those are. And to begin, we just want to look at some of the triangles and the different angles. So let's start with triangle ABP and DPC. If you noticed, these two angles are the same. We want to try and prove that these two triangles are similar. So if you take a little look at the triangle BAD and the triangle CAD, you'll notice that these two triangles actually intersect each other and have the exact same arc right here. So this angle right here at C and this angle at B will actually be equal because they intersect at the same arc. So taking that, you can see that the smaller triangle APB and the much larger triangle DPC actually have two angles that are the same, and therefore they are similar. From that, we can take what we know from the problem and write a little bit of a ratio for AP. And we can take this equation and write it just for AP. Now looking at the triangle BPC and the triangle APD, you'll also notice that these two angles are the same. And using a similar technique with the arcs of the two triangles, you'll notice that they also have a similar the same angle down below. So if you look at the triangle DAB and the triangle CBA, you'll notice that they intersect and have the exact same arc from the point AB. So therefore, their angles, this one at C and this one up at D, are congruent. And since the triangle BPC and DPA have two angles that are the same, they are therefore similar. From that, we can take what we know from the problem and write another ratio, this time for CP. And we can take this equation and write it just for CP. So now we have an equation for AP and for CP, and in order to solve the problem, we want the ratio of AP over CP. So if we just divide this equation by the CP equation, we should get the correct answer. So this is what we get, and if you notice that the DPs will cancel out. And from the initials in the problem, we can solve with the numbers, and we get so we get 6 over 30, which is equal to 1/5. Thanks for watching. If you just wait a little bit, you can subscribe to our YouTube videos and click on some more playlists to watch some more videos. And you can also follow us on Twitter.